Welcome to English Practice Every Day. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Practice Every Day. This is the best way. I'm Kevin, and I'm really happy to be here with you today.
And I'm Jane. It's great to be back too. Kevin, I feel like we just started our work week, and here we are again, talking about English. How's your morning going so far at the offices?
My morning is good, Jane. Thank you for asking. I started with a big cup of coffee, to get the brain working. And I checked my emails. Lots of emails, always. How about you? Did you have a good start to your day?
Oh, coffee is a must for me too. My day started with a quick breakfast, nothing fancy, just some toast. Then I organized my desk a little. It was quite messy yesterday, so I feel much better now. Ready for work.
That sounds like a productive start. And Jane, talking about mornings, coffee, emails, and organizing desks, these are all very common things we do every day at the office, right?
Absolutely. And that's actually a perfect lead-in to our topic today. We're going to talk about English conversation at the office, real and easy, how to talk to people at work in simple English.
Yes, exactly. Many of our listeners work in offices or might work in an office in the future where English is spoken. Or maybe they just want to practice real-life English in a work setting. It's super important to know how to communicate clearly and friendly.
Definitely. It's not just about big meetings or presentations. It's about those small, everyday chats that make a big difference. So, Kevin, where should we start when we talk about English at the office?
Well, let's start with the very beginning of the day or when you see a colleague. Greetings. Simple greetings. What do you usually say when you see someone at the office in the morning, Jane?
That's easy. Good morning, or hi, sometimes hello. And often I add, how are you? Or how are you doing? It's friendly.
Perfect. Those are great. And for our listeners, remember, you don't always need a long answer when someone asks, how are you? A simple, I'm good thanks, how about you? Is perfectly fine. You can even just say good and smile.
Right. It's not usually a deep conversation about your feelings. It's more of a friendly acknowledgement. Like, hey, I see you, and I hope you're okay. Let's try a small example. Kevin, imagine you just arrived.
Okay, I'm at my desk now. Just sat down.
Good morning, Kevin. How are you doing today?
Good morning, Jane. I'm doing well, thanks. And you?
I'm good too, thanks.
See? Simple, quick, and friendly. Now, what if you need help with something at work? This is a very common situation. How do you ask for help in English at the office?
Asking for help. This is important. You want to be polite. So I would say things like, excuse me, Kevin, could you help me with this report? Or, I need some help with this task. Do you have a moment?
Those are excellent. Using could you or would you mind makes it very polite. And remember to say please and thank you. For example, can you please show me how to use this new software? Or, could you explain this part to me, please?
Yes, please and thank you are your best friends in any language, especially in a work setting. Let's practice. I'll need help.
Okay, I'm ready to help.
Kevin, excuse me, could you please help me with the printer? It's not working.
Sure, Jane, I can help. What seems to be the problem?
Thank you, I think it's out of paper.
No problem. I can put more paper in. See? Simple problem, simple English solution. Now, what about the opposite? How do you offer help to a colleague?
That's also very kind to do. You can say, do you need any help? Or, can I help you with something? Sometimes people look stressed or have many papers. So you can ask, are you okay? Do you need a hand?
Do you need a hand is a great natural phrase. It means, do you need help? So if you see someone carrying a lot of boxes, you can say, hey, do you need a hand with those? It's very common and friendly.
Let's try that. Kevin, you look like you have a lot of work there.
Oh yes, I have so many files to organize.
Do you need a hand with that, Kevin? I can help you sort them.
That's so kind of you, Jane. Yes, please, that would be great. See how easy that is? Okay, let's move to general work discussions. Not always about asking or offering help, but just talking about what everyone is doing.
Right, like, what are you working on? Or how's your project going? These are good open questions that invite conversation.
Exactly. And a simple answer could be, I'm working on the new marketing plan. Or, my project is going well, thanks. Or, it's a bit busy, but okay.
Sometimes you might want to know about a specific thing. Did you finish the report for Mr. Smith? Or, are we still meeting at 3 p.m. today? Very direct, very clear.
And the answers can be just as direct. Yes, I finished it, or no, not yet, or yes, the meeting is still on. Don't overthink it, listeners. Simple is often best.
Okay, let's try a quick exchange. Kevin, what are you working on today?
I'm working on a new podcast script for next week. It's about travel English.
Oh, that sounds interesting. How's it going?
It's going well, thanks. Almost finished the first draft. How about your tasks for the day?
I have a few emails to answer and then some planning for next month's lessons. Busy but good.
Great. Now let's talk about those non-work related conversations, the water cooler chat as we call it. These are the casual talks that happen when you get coffee, or wait for the elevator, or during a short break.
Oh, these are really good for practicing natural English. You can ask about someone's weekend, their plans, or even talk about the weather. How was your weekend? Is a classic.
Or did you watch the football game last night? Or any plans for the holidays? These are light topics. The goal is just to connect, not to talk about work. And it's okay to give short answers like, it was good, or no, I didn't see it.
Sometimes I just say, long weekend, huh? Or nice weather today, isn't it? These are easy conversation starters. Let's try it. Kevin, imagine we're getting coffee.
Okay, I'm waiting for my coffee to brew.
Hey Kevin, how was your weekend? Anything fun happen?
Hi Jane, it was pretty relaxing. I just stayed home and read a book. What about you? Did you do anything exciting?
Not really exciting, but I went for a nice walk in the park. It was good to get some fresh air. This coffee machine is slow today, isn't it?
Yeah, a little slow, but it gives us more time to chat, right? That's the spirit of office small talk.
Exactly. Now, sometimes at work you have an idea or a suggestion. How do we express that simply and clearly?
Good point. You can say, maybe we could try, or how about if we? These are simple ways to offer an idea. For example, maybe we could try a different color for the presentation slides.
Or what if we have the meeting in the morning instead of the afternoon? It's not forcing your idea, just putting it out there for discussion. It's polite and open.
That's a great example, Jane. It shows you're thinking, and you're part of the team. Let's try it. I'm having trouble with a task.
Kevin, how's that report coming along? It looks like you're stuck.
Yeah, I'm trying to find some data, but it's hard. I'm not sure where to look.
Maybe we could check the company's shared drive? I think I saw something similar there last week.
Oh, that's a good idea. Thanks, Jane.
See, just a small suggestion can make a big difference. And finally, how do we end a conversation gracefully at the office? We can't just walk away, right?
Exactly. You want to have a good closing. Simple phrases like, it was nice talking to you, or, okay, I need to get back to work now, are perfect. Or, see you later if you'll see them again that day.
If it's the end of the day, have a good evening, or see you tomorrow, are very common. It's polite and makes a clear end to the chat.
Let's imagine we've finished our coffee break and need to go back to our desks.
Okay, Kevin, it was nice chatting with you about the weekend. I should get back to my emails now.
You too, Jane. It was good to talk. See you around the office.
Perfect. So, listeners, you see, English conversation at the office doesn't have to be scary or complicated. It's about using simple, clear phrases in different situations.
Yes, absolutely. The key is to practice. Don't be afraid to try these phrases out loud, even if you're just talking to yourself or practicing in front of a mirror. The more you say them, the more natural they will feel.
And remember, everyone makes mistakes, especially when learning a new language. The important thing is to communicate. People at work will appreciate your effort to speak in English.
So, to recap, we talked about simple greetings like, good morning, how are you? Asking for help, could you please help me? Offering help, do you need a hand? Talking about tasks, what are you working on? Casual chat, how was your weekend? Making suggestions, maybe we could try, and ending conversations, it was nice talking to you.
That's a great summary, Kevin. And remember, listening to podcasts like ours is a fantastic way to hear natural English in action. Try to repeat the phrases we used today.
Yes, listen and repeat. That's the best way to improve. Now, for our listeners, we have a question for you. What is one English phrase you often use or would like to use at your office?
Yes, tell us in the comments. We love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button, subscribe to English Practice Every Day for more lessons, and share this podcast with anyone who wants to improve their English.
Thank you so much for joining us today for English Conversation at the Office, Real and Easy. It was a pleasure, Jane.
You too, Kevin, and thank you everyone for listening. Keep practicing, and we'll talk to you next time on English Practice Every Day.